How you can book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can book hotel in booking.com without credit card. In order to book hotel in booking.com without credit card, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open up your application and then log in into your account. Basically, to do this procedure, you need to select the particular hotel or the reservation that actually allows you to pay later when you actually arrive there. So for that, you need to go ahead and first of all book a hotel. So for that, select your destination, your date, rooms and all that. Tap on the search button. Next page is going to show you a list of category. As you can see, in order to book a booking.com without credit card or without paying in advance, what you have to do is basically you'll need to look for the type of hotel that actually allows you no prepayment needed. If you don't see this option, which means that you have to make a prepayment or you have to make an advance payment, and that means you have to pay certain amount. So in order to book without credit card, you'll need to select no prepayment needed. So you need to select that particular hotel, and after that click on select room. You can also see there's a statement as no credit card needed, so click on select. You need to go for this kind of booking. So you need to select a room. After that, go through all sort of details and tap on select and customize. Now select your information such as the number of rooms that you need, your pricing. Next, now you need to select add up to extra bed and all sort of. Click on the confirm button. After that, tap on the reserve button. Next page is going to ask you to provide in all sort of details, your phone number, your information, all that. Tap on the next button, and then you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that you've successfully booked your hotel, stating that you've successfully made a reservation. So after that, all you have to do is you need to pay it later on when you actually arrive there. So that is how you can book hotel in booking.com without credit card. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.